Feeling stuck in a weight loss plateau can be frustrating. If you're seeking a natural, scientifically validated option, discover African mango. This fruit extract is gaining recognition for its weight loss and health benefits. Irvingia Gabonensis, from West Africa, is valued for its seeds, known as Dikka nuts. The extract from these seeds is rich in polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals that help manage weight. African mango offers a multifaceted approach to weight loss. It boosts metabolism to burn fat more efficiently and aids in appetite management. Its unique properties specifically target stubborn midsection fat. Evidence supports African mango's effectiveness. A 2005 study at the University of Yaoundé showed participants lost 5.26% body weight in 4 weeks, surpassing the control group. African mango also offers antioxidants and helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels. Quality matters. Choose supplements with high-potency pure extract and strict quality control. Ready to explore a natural method for weight loss? African mango could empower you to feel confident and take charge of your health.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.